No, stop. You already ate. You gotta let Zubi finish his. I know your bowl is over. You ate so fast. You had the exact same amount as Zubi. And you're always trying to come over here and sneak over and eat the rest of his food. Because he likes to take the time to enjoy his meals. Don't give me the tood, mister. No, you're just trying to roll and position yourself. Like, oh my gosh, my head just happened to land right next to this bowl that has chicken and treats in it. Here you go, Zubi. I mean, you can pout. You can pout all you want. But I'm watching. I'm gonna sit here and watch until Zubi's done. However long that takes. You're gonna make this hurt, Zubi. You're just gonna make this hurt. I can hear your little lion voice just going like, what are you doing? Oh my gosh, rah rah, rah rah. No, no. Ah, there. Stop. No. Ah. Zubi, here, eat this. You gotta eat the rest of your food. Don't play with it. You gotta eat it. Come here, Rara. Let me find you something. Let me find you a toy. What about this bear? What about this bear? Oh, if you chew on this bear, that would be so much funner than chewing on Zubi's chicken. No, Zubi, eat your breakfast. Peats. I'm gonna play with your peats. Zubi, you done? All right. Well, I guess if you're done, then here you go, bud.